Hi, my name's Andy from TeamBoard, and we're at ISE this year to launch our new range of interactive flat panels. TeamBoard's been in the market, the industry, for around 20 years. This year we've got some new innovations that we're showing in the form of our interactive flat panel. So this is our 75-inch screen. You'll see straight away we're using this slim IR technology, which is unique to our hardware. This gets rid of false triggering as well as making the screen look aesthetically pleasing. We've also reduced the air gap for our users when they actually touch the screen. So they're right tight up against their ink or their actual touch point when they're driving the screen. So this is the TeamBoard interactive flat panel. Comes with various features like 4K, 20 points of touch, 3mm toughened glass, with that slim IR bezel and unique touch point feature. For more information, you can find us at www.teamboard.com.